Okay, let's start with IELTS speaking part 1. We'll ask you some questions. You got to answer. Yeah.
Did you ever forget to bring something?
Yes. Lastly, I'm being very forgetful nowadays, and yes, I forget to
The
buy.
question is in the past tense. Did you ever forget to bring anything? Now you say, yes, last week I went outside without my mobile. And when I reached that place, then I realized my mobile was missing, and then I had to go back home to pick it up because mobiles are very essential. So, to answer your question, it was my mobile that I forgot at home last week. Something like that. Answer should be in the past tense. Okay? Yeah.
How do you remind yourself?
Okay. Whenever I forget something, like few days back, I forgot my ID, my ATM card, and because of that, I can't do any shopping.
The question is different and your answer is entirely different. How do you remind yourself? Now, in order to remind yourself, we have reminders. Mother is the best reminder, right? If you tell your mom you got to wake up at this time, right? If you
I put a reminder. On my
yeah,
mobile.
you got to talk about reminder actually. So how do you remind yourself?
Whenever I go out, first I have to keep reminding it in my mind, and if and the other thing I do beside that, I put a reminder on my cell phone. So if I'm going out, I have to know that what I have to buy and what should be with me in my bag.
Yeah, this is better. Or you can say I make a list.
List.
Whenever I go outside, before going outside, I make a list of things which I need to bring. So I always do things like this. Or I make a reminder on my mobile, something like that. Okay.
Do you often forget things?
Not very much, but sometimes I do forget things. Like I'm also a human, and a human can forget about things. So yes, I do.
Okay, so just try to elaborate further, focus your grammar, and come up with more ideas. And practice these topics so that you are familiar with them, right? Thank you.